Yes, live.
Okay, good evening, everyone. This is host and host GJ Gaurav Jain, and guess what? Today we are going to celebrate this movie, amazing movie, Chittagong, and we are so fortunate that we have our near dear Beda Brother Pain, the Bedo Dada, with us. But let's start this evening with a wonderful motivation, amazing song. And for that song, I would like to request our master Sahib Sehgal from Panipat. So,
thank you,
Sahib,
sir.
over to you, beta.
And the song is from the film Chittagong itself, a very motivational and beautiful song. Yes, over to Sahib.
प्रणाम बेदादा सर, प्रणाम देवीदत्त सर, और प्रणाम मेरी प्यारी सी म्यूजिक रंडा फैमिली को। मैं साहिब सहगल पानीपत से और हरी भरी म्यूजिक रंडा फैमिली से। तो मैं एक चिटागोंग मूवी का एक बहुत प्यारा सा गीत लेके आया हूँ। उस गीत का नाम है खुल गया नया द्वार है, और इस गीत के बोल कुछ वॉइस ऑडिबल है?
Yes.
Sahib, you're not audible.
No, you're not audible.
हेलो,
You're not, now you're audible.
हाँ तो मैं ऐसे सुना दूँ?
Yes. Yes, sure.
खुल गया नया द्वार है, निशान की झनकार है, दे सलामियां हौसलों में आने ईशान है वो ईशान जहां जिंदगी, जहां रोशनी गीत है। ईशान है वो सुबह जहां ख्वाब है, उम्मीद है, जीत है। नित्य ने आया कदम कदम पे, बड़ी जोर की धड़कन थी, सांस सांस में नित्य समाया, यही नहीं एक सरगम थी। गाना बजता है, सजता है गीते हरदम, हम मिलते एक लहरा जाते हैं उसके द्वार। खुल गया नया द्वार है, ईशान की झंकार है, खुल गया नया द्वार है, ईशान की झंकार है। थैंक यू।
Wow, very good.
Wow.
So well tried, Sahib. Or at such a short notice, you prepared such beautifully. Thank you. नमस्कार, स्वागत सभी का म्यूजिक वेरांडा में। और अभी हम लोग पेट्रियोटिक मोड में हैं, जैसा जीजी ने बोला, रिपब्लिक मोड में है। एंड सिंस 23rd we are celebrating a lot of spirits and principles that music veranda actually believes in, of simplicity, sustainability, patriotism, and nurturing our and strengthening our inner core. Or so that is why we have been hosting a lot of shows in line with these philosophies and principles. And 26th ko hum log, we really wanted to do something inspirational, because we believe कि inspiration or intention is bigger than action. So हम लोगों ने सोचा क्या किया जाए. So we actually did a very very beautiful thing. हमने चिट्टागोंग की स्क्रीनिंग की, हम लोग सब वेरांडा वाले साथ में मिलके वो पिक्चर देखे, and we are feeling so uplifted. हम लोगों को इतना अच्छा लगा, and I congratulated Dr. Penn on creating this wonderful movie, and I requested him to please come and tell a little more about what inspired him to create such a beautiful movie. So thank you, Dr. Penn. And before we, I would request GJ to say something more about the movie. I would request Sangeeta ji ki वो कुछ कहें, उन्होंने कल जो पिक्चर देखी उनको कैसा लगा. So Sangeeta ji, please आप कहें कुछ.
Good evening, everyone. मैं तो ऐसी I was a student of political science और history तो मैंने पढ़ी है, तो I keep waiting for such movies, and I really thank you and a lot of appreciation for such a nice movie, because these lost heroes, actually children, they don't know, and many people I have studied, but this struggle still I was not able to find when I study. So thank you so much. और वो जब मूवी देखी थी हकीकत, और उसके बाद एक और बहुत पहले जो भगत सिंह की मनोज कुमार की देखी थी, वही थोड़ी इंस्पायर की थी. उसके बाद आपकी जो ये मूवी आई, इट्स रियली it touches each and every part, how the young people and how the layman from the village, he participated and how they fought for it. क्योंकि जो हमने बाद में पढ़ा है, गांधी and everyone, that came very bad, very afterwards at it. But उसके पीछे जो build-up हुआ, वो जो था हमारा patriotism और जो fervor, that is what your movie is showing. And thank you so much. इतना आपने अच्छी तरह picturize किया है, and the direction. And even I think I will share it with my students also.
Please.
I have taught them and they have not seen this movie, so I have already shared. And I too could not resist. उस दिन तो मैं तो वहाँ दिल्ली में नहीं थी, पर मैंने इसको देखा फिर बाद में online, and wonderful. I have shared with my family also, and with my children also, and with my friends also. So thank you so much, and I wish you all the best and more and more. And just I wanted to ask one question: how from a scientist you thought of coming to movie this thing?
Yeah, thank
You must have had that feeling in you of patriotism and trying to dig out those people who have sacrificed for India and our country. So, and the way you have done, because I was just surfing around, and something which I missed. So like we have got so many freedom fighters, those who have not, like from even Bengal, you have got Praful Chand Chaki and Khudiram Bose. I think children, they don't know only about it. And slowly from the history books also they disappeared. So तब तो हमने जब हमने पढ़ा था तो थोड़ा तो हिस्ट्री थोड़ा फिर भी अच्छा था कि how after they were executed and how everyone in Bengal they wore धोती वगैरह, सब पे खुदीराम बोस का नाम लिख करके लोग घूमते थे इस तरह से. So वो मुझे याद आ गया अपना समय, जो अपनी समय की बातें थी. And I would be waiting for more movies from you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And congratulations.
I'll connect back with you. और जीजे थोड़ा सा बताएं, जो acclamations, इतने सारे acclamations मिले हैं इस फिल्म को जो हमने कल देखी है. So थोड़ा सा जल्दी से बताएं, because Bedoda is really busy.
Sure. Well, Chittagong movie, what should I say? मतलब we had super fun and so much inspiration. मतलब ऐसे goosebumps हो रहे थे जब हम लोग साथ में कल मिलके देख रहे थे. मतलब अनिला जी is like, अरे इसको मारो, ये ऐसे कैसे ऐसे. मतलब this is like कि हमारे सामने सब कुछ हो रहा हो. And so it's my sheer pleasure to share something about this amazing movie Chittagong. It's a 2012 movie and National Film Award for the best playback singer. It has won, and then Indira Gandhi Award for best debut of direction, and then National Film Award for best lyrics it got. And of course Kaleidoscope Indian Festival 2015 में जो हुआ था उसमें they have got the jury award winner. And we all know that's a national film award 2013 में हुआ था. यहाँ पे Golden Lotus Award में again it got the best debut film of a director. Wow. And we all know that this is not possible. मतलब वो जो चीजें हुई थी तब वेदा ब्रदा आज हमारे बारे में, मतलब इसके मूवी के बारे में बताएंगे कि वो क्या थॉट था, कैसे उन्होंने ये आइडिया आया, क्या क्या चीजें हुई. We would love to hear from you. But before that I would love to share about Bedoda as well. So Mr. Bedoda Payne, he is an Indian scientist turned film director, producer and screenwriter. He was also a member of the team that invented the CMOS image sensor. He has also won National Film Award for the best debut film of director for Chittagong, जिसके बारे में आज हम बात करने वाले हैं. He worked with NASA until 2008 as a scientist, contributing to 87 patents. Wow. Best known for CMOS sensors, which are used in DSLR mobile camera. And now he is a director, producer in an Indian cinema. He's also an executive producer of Amu, which has critically acclaimed. So more we would love to talk. Anila ji, over to you.
Thank you. बहुत नेट पे तो इतना सारा इंफॉर्मेशन, इतना सारा कंटेंट है बेदोदा के बारे में. हमारे वेरांडा के लिए बेदोदा है. और
don't believe everything you read on the net.
So it was so difficult, to what to say, what not to say. But anyways, Vedoda, please आप बताइए कि number one, I have two very intriguing questions, not me but everyone. Number one, yes, you are a scientist and now you're a filmmaker, so I'm sure बहुत सारे आपके अंदर जो बहुत thoughts होंगे, जो बहुत सारे inspirations होंगे, so you must have helped you to turn a filmmaker. So what is that journey? And what inspired you to make this film? Over to you, Veduta. Thank you so much.
You know what they say, that as a Bengali, you can never die in peace unless you've created a work of art. So that's, I'm joking, but honestly, I mean, I've always wanted to make, my family is very artistic family. We've grown in very lots of culture, art, music. Music has been a very big part of my growing up. Movies have been very, very big part of my growing up. And, science is not all just about logic. Of course, it's about logic and all that, evidence and all that. But it's also about creation. And art is also about creation. But I was, having done all of the thing, I was a senior research scientist in NASA. Very, very few people are like that. So there came a point and I said that, okay, I have done all of that. So now what do I do? And the obvious thing to do is to do a startup, which is what everybody does. But I said, let me make a movie. So I made a movie. So it's, it's more like to see if I can make a movie. And it did turn out that I could make a movie. And this topic is something that has been very close to my heart. Prithilatha Vadadar, who you saw, there was this beautiful romantic scene that you saw which was played by Vega Tamotia and Nawaz. In fact, my Chittagong was one of the first film for many, and a first few for many of the films, many of the stars who are today's big stars, from Nawaz to Rajkumar Rao to Vijay Verma, Jaideep Ahlawat. All of them sort of started from Chittagong. And for Vijay, it was his first film, Dilzad. So I think the movie came about very simply because this is one part of, I think Sangeeta ji talked about it, this is one part of history which nobody in India knows. And I think at one point I wanted to make a film about female revolutionaries in India. And Delhi, somebody who was a history graduate from Delhi University, she was with me and she said, like, who from Bengal? So I said, Prithilatha Vadadar. And she said, Prithilatha who? And that's when I realized that, history major from Delhi University doesn't know the idea. Chances are that nobody in India knows about it. So that's how the story came around. And for me, the story, very often when the stories are told in history, it would end with Master Da's hanging. But for me, the story carries on far beyond that. And that's why I also told the story from the point of view of this young boy, Jhunku, Subodh Roy, whose picture you can see. Dilzad played that role. That's how the movie came about.
Wow. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And Vedoda, Dr. Anuradha, she wants to say something about the film,
Sure.
about inspirations, because this program is like about the movie and about the inspirations, about the takeaways also, which I'm sure you'd like to understand and have. Yes, Anuradha.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. Good evening, Vedu sir.
Good evening.
And yeah, Kal Dekha, and it's such a realistic movie. Actually, I belong to Chittagong.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, but I have never been there. But जो movie मैंने देखा, ऐसा लग रहा था I could see the whole Chittagong. And the second thing, entire जो movie था उसमें you just can't afford to skip a single dialogue. अगर ऐसा होता तो लगता back करो and then फिर से सुनो. But it was so captivating. And I really enjoyed, and I shared it with my army group. I belong to army background. Yeah.
Yes.
And one of the commandant over there, he just wrote कि ये जो film है, it should be included in our history curriculum. क्योंकि youngsters को लेके है and it's so inspiring, it should be included. तो मैं यही बोलना चाहूंगी कि आप ऐसे ही बनाते रहो. एंड द सूर्यो सेन्स डायलॉग्स, they had nothing but few words of motivation and this emotional patriotism. वो चीज सारी चीज को वो कर दिया. तो hats off to you for making such a film और hope कि आप आगे भी ऐसी movies बनाते रहो.
Thank you, thank you,
Thank you, Vedha sir.
थैंक यू सो मच. स्वीटी जी, आपको भी कुछ बोलना है? हाँ.
हाँ जी बिल्कुल. हाँ जी, मैं भी बोलूंगी. हाँ, नमस्ते सर आपको.
नमस्ते.
और हाँ जी, नमस्ते नमस्ते. मैं इंदौर से स्वीटी शर्मा.
हाँ जी.
एक्चुअली मुझे अनिला ने कल दिया था ये लिंक की पिक्चर जरूर देखें. तो कल 26 जनवरी को देखते तो इसका रोमांच कुछ और होता, लेकिन मैंने आज टाइम निकाल के देखा. इतनी ज्यादा इम्प्रेस हुई कि जो वो पिक्चर बनी है और जो आप लोगों ने उसको फिल्मांकन किया है उसका, तो जो सीन है ना उसको मैंने कैप्चर किया है. मतलब स्क्रीनशॉट ले लेके कि जो बैलगाड़ी से आ रहे हैं या साइकिल से आ रहे हैं, जो रेलवे ट्रैक के आसपास के सीन हैं, बहुत ही प्यारे. और इतना अच्छा आपने मतलब जीवंत लोगों को लेके उनके ऊपर जो ये पिक्चर बनी है, मतलब ऐसा लग रहा था कि एक सामने घटना घट रही है और हम इसे देख रहे हैं. और आंखें जरूर गीली हुई उस समय जब सूर्य सेन जी उसके कहते हैं कि जिंदा लोग वापस नहीं आते, जीवित लोग. वो कहती है कि दुल्हन वापस आ सकती है. तो वो कुछ बातें ऐसे दिल को छू के गई कि मतलब मैं सोच रही थी कि शायद ही कुछ शुरुआत होगी, पिक्चर कितनी देख पाऊंगी, लेकिन जो एक सिटिंग में देखी तो ऐसा लगा कि वाह, मजा आ गया. मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी, बहुत दिल से, कि आप इसी तरह की पिक्चर्स और बनाते रहें. और अनिला आपको भी थैंक्स कि हमें इतने अच्छे लोगों से आप मिलवाती रहती हैं. तो अनिला के लिए भी बहुत बहुत थैंक्स है. मैं ये जरूर कहना चाह रही थी आपको कि बहुत सुंदर. और गाने तो मतलब जब से सुना है ना तो बस वो बोल ना बस यही चल रहा है कि गाने बहुत सुंदर है.
गाने बहुत सुंदर है, बहुत
सुंदर, बहुत प्यार. और मेरा परिवेश भी पीछे से थोड़ा छत्तीसगढ़ साइड का है. मैं गांव से बिलोंग करती इधर बिलासपुर साइड से. तो कुछ ऐसा लग रहा था गांव कुछ अच्छा फील हो रहा था उसको देख के कि मैं भी उसी पिक्चर का एक हिस्सा ही समझ रही थी अपने आप को.
Even the background scores जो है ना, they were too good.
बहुत ही मतलब जितनी तारीफ की जाए ना उतने कम है इस पिक्चर की.
क्यों नहीं बनती ऐसी मूवीज? क्यों हमको गंदी मूवीज देखनी पड़ रही है?
बिल्कुल
इंट्रिगिंग क्वेश्चन.
और अनिला, मैं एक बात और कहूंगी कि जो इस पिक्चर का विषय था ना, कि जो उस समय के छोटे बच्चों को लेके जो उन्होंने उस समय क्रांतिकारी जो बना रहे थे, तो मैं कहना तो नहीं चाहूंगी ऐसा, लेकिन आज जो कोई दूसरा समाज इतने छोटे बच्चों को किसी दूसरी ट्रैक पे लेके जा रहा है,
Oh my God, yes, very.
तो ये फिर ये गलत है. और हमें इस तरह की पिक्चर्स ही चाहिए कि जो मतलब अच्छे विचारों वाले लोगों का निर्माण करें, ताकि हमारा भी एक स्वस्थ समाज बन सके. मुझे बहुत इम्प्रेस किया इस पिक्चर.
स्वीटी जी, आप सही बोल रही है. हर समय एक अलग लड़ाई होती है और आज लड़ाई कुछ है और कुछ अलग. हम
और उसमें भी इसी तरह के बच्चे लिए जाते हैं, छोटे जो नासमझ होते हैं, थोड़ा अच्छा. और इन दोनों पिक्चरों में मतलब अगर देखा जाए तो ये बहुत ही मुकाबला ही नहीं कर सकती है तो खैर किसी से. बहुत सुंदर पिक्चर.
थैंक यू सो मच.
इसके बारे में मैं 2 चीज बोलूं.
जी.
तो पहली बात यह है कि आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट दिस मूवी वाज गॉट शोन नॉट इवन ऑन द August 15th on the Independence Day, but on the Republic Day, because independence तो हम इंडिपेंडेंट हुए, मतलब ब्रिटिश से छुटकारा मिल गया. रिपब्लिक डे का माने है कि इट बिलोंग्स टू ऑल ऑफ अस. इट्स अ रिपब्लिक. हम सबके इसके हिस्सेदार हैं.
बिल्कुल.
So I'm very happy that point, that's a day on which Chittagong was shown, because it's also Chittagong was a day when it belongs to people. Why Chittagong was taken over was because it belongs to us. That it's not just a piece of land. It's another the country. Our state has to work for us. So it's very important that it was shown on the Republic Day, a day of the people. Republic का मतलब वही होता है कि people, the main thing in the Republic is the people. That people determine everything. It's not just independence from this country or that country. It's that who does the country work for? And that was the question that was always being asked. Who does the country work for? What's the point of having a country if it doesn't work for its people? And the second point I would make is that this, you said कि बच्चे लोग इसमें शामिल हो गए, छोटे बच्चे. Actually, my protagonist is a 14-year-old boy. As you saw, we met him on his deathbed in 2006 or 7, I forget. But I met one of them who's there in the movie, but very small portion. But I met him later on. Binod Bihari Chaudhary. He was in Bangladesh, in Chittagong itself, and I met him. When I met him, he was 99 years old, and he was protesting at that point. He was on a hunger strike because the Bangladesh government was going to tear down the school, which the Nandan Kanan school where Prithilatha Wadadar used to teach, and they were tearing it down to make way for a mall. And Binod Bihari Chaudhary was there in protesting against it. A hunger strike. That's when I met him. He was 99 years old, and we fondly called him 99. He passed away when he was 103 years old, just after Chittagong was released. And on his deathbed, practically, I showed him the movie, and he blessed it. So I said, "Bhai, hame to mil gaya." But I had asked him that how did Masterda recruit you? Because you guys were young kids, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. बहुत कम उम्र के थे आप लोग. तो आप लोगों को कैसे रिक्रूट किया? मतलब आपको कोई ब्रेन वॉशिंग हुआ कि ऐसा कुछ हुआ क्या? तो उन्होंने जो जवाब दिया हमें, मैं चौंक गया. What he said is कि वो हमें क्यों रिक्रूट करेंगे? हम गए उसके पास कि हमें इस जो इनकलाब चल रहा था उस समय, उसमें हमें शामिल होना है. तो मास्टरदा बोले कि भाई आप लोग बहुत पढ़े लिखे बच्चे हो, आप पढ़े लिखा मतलब वो यू कीप ऑन स्टडीइंग. वो फिल्म में एक डायलॉग भी है ना, वो कहते हैं कि ये कहाँ लिखा है कि इनकलाबी होने के लिए सबको घर छोड़ के भागना ही पड़ता है. ऐसा कुछ है ना, मैं भूल गया एग्जैक्ट डायलॉग. ऐसा लाइन है, वो मास्टरदा झुंकू को कहते हैं. तो वो लाइन हमें वो विनोद बिहारी से मिला. तो मास्टरदा ऐसे कहते थे कि हम सबको इस युद्ध में शामिल नहीं होना है. आप पढ़े लिखे, आप पढ़ो. लेकिन विनोद बिहारी ने बोला कि हमने बोला कि नहीं, हम तो इसी में आना चाहते हैं. तो 1 साल तक मास्टरदा ने उनको नहीं लिया. वो कहते रहे कि भाई आप लोग बच्चे हो, पढ़े लिखे हो, वो करो, पढ़ाई करो. फिर 1 साल के बाद विनोद बिहारी ने बोला कि मैंने एक दिन मास्टरदा के पास गए और बोला कि भाई आप हमें आपके दल में शामिल कर लो, नहीं तो और भी जगह में है जहां हम जा सकते हैं. सिर्फ आप एक ही नहीं है जो इनकलाबी. मैं दूसरे किसी जगह पे चला जाऊंगा, लेकिन हम तो इनकलाबी बनेंगे. तो उस समय का जो माहौल था वो भी कुछ अलग सा था. आज का जो माहौल है वो भी अलग है. हाँ, ये बहुत जरूरी है कि वो माहौल हमें याद दिलाना चाहिए कि वो माहौल कैसा था कि 14, 15, 17, 20 साल के बच्चे, युवा कुछ करने के लिए तैयार थे. बिल्कुल. There is a thing that you become a human being when you have something bigger than yourself than you belong to. I think we have to think in that way, that we have to create something bigger than ourselves.
Wow, beautiful, very nice, very beautiful. And I think वो जज्बा तो अभी भी, but there is a lack of leadership. Leadership is very, very important. Right leadership, right guidance, and integrity, which is missing in these times. And वही हम बोल रहे हैं कि हर युग की अलग लड़ाई होती है और शायद इस युग की ये वाली लड़ाई है. I think Asha Mosi, she also wants to, like, she had seen the movie long back. And Asha Mosi, आपको कुछ बोलना है? Shivani, you also want to see? Devi sir भी है. We have another filmmaker. Devi sir उन्होंने भी कल हमारे साथ ही देखी. मतलब we were watching it in Delhi, he was watching it in Mumbai. So that was what that we did. Yes, Asha Mosi, जल्दी हम लोग बता सकते हैं अपने thoughts.
नमस्ते सर.
नमस्ते.
हाँ, मैंने तो बहुत दिन हो गए पिक्चर देखे हुए. मुझे तो जब आप पहली बार आए थे म्यूजिक वरांडा पे, तब अनिला ने मुझे बोला था कि वो पिक्चर बहुत अच्छी है, आपने बनाई है, तो मैंने कहा चलो देखते हैं। पर बहुत ही अच्छी पिक्चर थी वो। मतलब मुझे तो देख के कि ऐसा लगा कि वाह, ऐसी पिक्चरें भी बनती है। और पर आजकल नहीं बन रही है ऐसी पिक्चरें ना, मतलब
अभी भी
देखने में
बन रहा है।
आती है वो तो। ये तो अनिला की मेहरबानी है जो इसने हमको बताया कि आपने ऐसी पिक्चर बनाई और हमने देख ली वो पिक्चर। नहीं तो शायद हम तो पता नहीं, हमें तो पता भी नहीं था। पर इसके हम तो थैंक्स अनिला को, थैंक बहुत बहुत। और आपको तो है ही कि आपने इतनी अच्छी पिक्चर बनाई, पर इसने हमको इतनी अच्छी पिक्चर दिखवा दी, इसके लिए बहुत वाकई में इसको भी।
थैंक यू। और आशा मौसी ने उस टाइम भी बोला उनको गाने बहुत अच्छे लगे थे एंड शी रियली लाइक द एक्ट्रेस।
Yes, she's very good.
हाँ, मैंने आपको मैसेज भेजा था।
Yes, I remember.
हाँ,
जितने भी लोग
तो-
देख रहे थे, यू नो, दे वर लाइक
अब तो मेरे को थोड़ा सा दिमाग से अब, हाँ,
आपने तब बोला
थोड़ा
था
सा
कि
याद, मतलब थोड़ी बहुत ज्यादा एकदम याद नहीं रही। पर हाँ, उस समय बहुत मजा आई थी देख के। उसके कैरेक्टर्स भी आपने इतने अच्छे लिए हैं कि बस, उसकी जो हीरोइन थी और वो मनोज बाजपेयी, आई मीन सब लोग बहुत बहुत बढ़िया आर्टिस्ट थे और बहुत अच्छी पिक्चर बनी है।
थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू आशा। बेदुदा, आपको तो बहुत सारे लोग अक्लेम करते हैं, बट वी आर ऑर्डिनरी पीपल। बट आई एम श्योर कि आपकी मूवी भी ऑर्डिनरी पीपल के लिए, दैट्स योर टैगलाइन आल्सो।
That's why I said I'm very happy that it was made on Republic. It was shown on Republic.
So I really wanted कि आप सुने ये सब, इसलिए I invited you. David sir, I would request you to please speak something.
I was thrilled with the subject. Absolutely, very different, very nicely directed, and the characters were very good. मनोज जी ने तो बहुत ही अच्छा काम किया है, और उसके वजह से बच्चे, the main character grows into revolt, और the climax of the film was too good.
Yes.
कि वो जमीन से खुल के आते हैं, and the entire place is, इतना नहीं मालूम था कि they were fighting for the food. Farmers fight था ये, farmers fight, and I really liked the last portion when that British inspector or whatever he tells him, you have just listen to this, and then everybody comes running.
Yes.
It was the most beautiful.
Climax
थोड़ा सा बीच में मुझे slow लगा, लेकिन I think it was very well made, and every character बहुत natural. आपने हर एक location भी बहुत select किया, and very nice places. चिटागोंग में शूट किया था या कहाँ किया था ये?
नहीं, this is in North Bengal, because चिटागोंग में मतलब बांग्लादेश में शूट करना कुछ प्रॉब्लम है वहाँ। और उस समय जब मैं शूट किया, उस समय तो और भी ज्यादा खराब था सिचुएशन। तो हमने तय किया कि हम बंगाल में शूट करेंगे। तो नॉर्थ बंगाल में कई जगह हैं जो काफी चिटागोंग से मिलता जुलता है, तो वैसी जगह पे
वो ड्रेसेस वगैरह भी उनको, I mean, what that style?
हाँ, ड्रेसेस वगैरह वैसे। एक्चुअली हमने क्या किया कि वो ड्रेसेस ना, वो उस समय क्या होता था कि वो आज का जो कॉटन है ना, वो बहुत रिफाइंड कॉटन होता है। उस समय का कॉटन थोड़ा रॉ कॉटन हुआ करता था। तो हम वही पे गए, खादी वैसा, मतलब जो खादी क्या कहते हैं, फेयर्स एक्सेट्रा, एग्जीबिशंस होते हैं, वहां जाके हमने वो खरीदा, और फिर उसको चाय में भिगो के, मतलब गर्म चाय की पानी में भिगो के उसको वो थोड़ा एज्ड लुक दिया उसको। नहीं तो क्या होता है ना, नए नए कपड़े खरीदेंगे, वो रॉ कॉटन भी हो या रिफाइंड कॉटन हो, वो एक नया सा लुक होता है ना, बहुत अच्छा, तो वो बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है। तो उसको हम चाय की पानी में, मतलब गर्म पानी में उसको डुबो के भिगो के, फिर वो थोड़ा वो वेदर्ड लुक हो गया। तो वो
Wonderful.
मतलब ऐसा बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो करना पड़ा। तो
कलकत्ता में शूट किया क्या?
कलकत्ता में भी है, कुछ शूट्स कलकत्ता में भी है, लेकिन खास करके ये शूट नॉर्थ बंगाल में हुआ है। नॉर्थ बंगाल सिलीगुड़ी के आसपास, वो लाटागुड़ी करके एक
लाटागुड़ी है।
तो
वंडरफुल
और
सर।
हम बहुत मतलब जो वो ट्रेन लाइन के जो सीन है ना, याद है ना आपको ट्रेन लाइन में वो जो
हाँ,
और बेगा
जहाँ पे लड़का लड़की बैठ के बात
हाँ
करते
जी, हाँ जी, हाँ जी, निर्मल सेन और प्रीतिलता की जो सीन है, वो सीन शूट करने के बाद हमने उस तरफ देखा तो वहां एक लेपर्ड खड़ा था।
अच्छा।
वो भी शूटिंग देखने के लिए आ गए। तो ऐसी जगह में हमने शूटिंग की है।
वंडरफुल।
अच्छा, वो ये रॉय कैरेक्टर एंड में रियल रॉय कैरेक्टर है जो एंड आपने किया है?
सुबोध रॉय।
सुबोध रॉय।
हाँ, जो
I want to add one thing. I have observed one thing कि जो ऑन स्क्रीन जो झुनको एंड ऑफ स्क्रीन उनके आईज इतने
बिल्कुल।
ओ माय गॉड,
नोट की सेम दोनों की
सेम आईज। बिल्कुल।
Thank you. No, the casting was very good. Hani
yes.
Trehan did the casting. It was very good casting. And this boy Delzad, he was also 15-16-year-old at that time. I mean, he was so good and he was so dedicated, and he's a fantastic actor, I think. So I mean, I was blessed that I had such great actors with me.
वाह।
I mean, I was
All of
blessed
them,
that I had
all
such
of them.
talented people around me. I mean, I think everybody this was my first film. Matlab ki I have never been on a film set before this. So I was blessed that I had such great people to support me. You know, let me talk a little bit, since it's Music Veranda, let me talk a little bit about the music.
Yes.
Shankar Ehsaan Loy, the kind of music they gave and the time I had with them. Oh my God. I mean, this is like one of the best times of my life. All three of them are such fantastic people. And you know, I mean, the music came very organically. Like Bolona, the song that won the National Award. Came at a very difficult time of my life. So I'd gone one day, talked with Shankar, and he said, "How do you want to see this song?" I said, "Look, you know, it's not a lip sync song, but the way I see it is that it would start in a very romantic note, but end in a very sorrowful note. And there's only one rag I can think which can, you know, which does justice to that mood, that arc of mood, and that's Bhagyashree."
बहुत बढ़िया।
And immediately Shankar said, "Sir, ab kuch pad kahiye, main aapko dila दूंगा." And then he asked for a reference for a Bengali song, and actually I gave him a reference for a Bengali song. There's Nazrul Islam songs on this rag, and there is a Tagore song on this rag, and I gave him both those references. And then I think 2 days later, I remember the day. It was a very difficult day for me, but I came to his studio in Bandra, and there was Bolora, and that's a power of music, you know. I mean, it was from that depths of the depression, how music can uplift you. That was a case, and then I was so happy that Shankar sang the song, and then it won the national award as the best song. So that journey of that song, which also goes with the mood of the movie, and it goes with the lyrics. You know, Prasoon Joshi, who wrote the lyrics, just an absolutely amazing job.
Wonderful.
I cannot even put words to that. I mean, the amount of work, the kind of stuff that Prasoon did. But the last one I would, on music, I would end with the song which I forget. What's the little boy's name? Sahil? No.
Yes,
Sahib.
Sahib.
Who sang Khul Gaya Naya Dwar Hai, Ishan Ki Jhankar Hai. As you must have seen, Ishan was my son. He passed away while the movie was being made. And of course, it affected everybody in a very, very, very big way. And it turns out Ishan is the direction in Bengal from where the storm arises, the first storm of summer, which kind of sweeps away all the old and makes the room for the new. So that's what I told Rasool, because he was very affected. So I told him that, and that also sat so well with the ending of the movie, because that was the ending of the movie. They were sweeping away the old, and the new was coming up. I mean, coming up like fasal from the ground, and that became the khul gaya naya dwar hai, ishan ki jhankar hai, de salami asma hausalon mein dhar hai. And when the song came, when the lyrics came, Rasool told Shankar not to give me the lyrics, because it's very personal. But Shankar had to give the lyrics to me, because I was the director and Shankar was doing the music. So he gave it, and of course I broke down. And right then and there in their studio, we decided I will sing the song. And so the lead voice in that song is mine.
अरे वाह, wonderful sir, wonderful. अच्छा दादा, ये इससे एरिफ्लेक्स से शूट किया था?
नहीं, of course not. Being the inventor of digital camera technologies and being associated with Red Camera at that time, and at that time Red Camera was the only digital camera available. Everybody was said to shoot on when it was shot. I mean, there was no digital camera available except for Red. And everybody said, no, please shoot on film. It's a new technology and we don't know. So I said, look, having invented the technology, there's no chance that I would be shooting on film. So I shot it on Red. And in fact, this one, Red 1, which was one of the first cameras, which is by today's standard crap camera. But you know what I say, that it's not in a race, car race, the prize is not given to the car, but to the driver. So it's always a cinematographer that makes a difference. And Eric Zimmerman, who was a cinematographer, did such a fantastic job. You would recognize. It's just an absolutely brilliant job.
And
so
the sound,
of course, again, Rasool was a very good close friend of mine.
Because dubbing was difficult.
There was no dubbing. It's a sing-sound film.
Yeah, it was difficult.
I don't believe in dubbing because, I think the more than anything else, the quality of acting that you get on set, you do not get in dubbing. So it was a sing-sound film. It was very difficult, actually, because in those wilderness, if there's a sound from like 2 miles away, 3 miles away, you can hear it. So we had a team for a lockdown that was like a 5 mile over, 3-4 mile radius to make sure that at the time of the shoot, no sound is happening. It was a very difficult thing. Rasool did it. Rasool's team did it. Rasool himself did the post-production sound, the sound mix and all that. Wow. So again, as I said, I was very, very, it's amazing that I had this kind of people around me to help me.
Wonderful.
Filmmaking, as you know, is a collective art. So
it's the unit.
Yeah.
Wow. I think Dr. Mahashweta, she has joined. She would like to add something.
Hi, Mahashweta.
Hi, Vedoda. Am I audible? Oh my God, it's so nice and overwhelming to see you after such a long time.
Same here.
Vedoda, the thing is, at this point in time, we are having exams in our, school and institutions. But then when Anila told me that you will be coming, so I just couldn't resist. So I have seen the film in snippets, and I really want to congratulate you on casting that young boy. Oh my God. Looking, his eyes were like looking at him, it gave me goosebumps. That, if he was born, say, 100 years back, probably he would have been the Khudiram Ghosh or something like that, right? And we don't get to see these, he's not a run-of-the-mill type guy. So, and when I came to know that you will be coming, so I thought that, I didn't have the time to listen to many of the songs, but then this particular song came into my mind, sung by Lata Mangeshkar again. Akbar Biday Dema Ghure Ashi. It's like somewhat similar to Bhageshri as well.
That's right.
Akbar Biday Dema Ghure Ashi.
That's true.
একবার বিদায় দে মা ঘুরে আসি হাসি হাসি পড়ব ফাঁসি দেখবে ভারতবাসী একবার বিদায় দে মা ঘুরে আসি কলের বোমা তৈরি করে দাঁড়িয়েছিলেন রাস্তার ধারে মা বড় লাটকে মারলাম ইংল্যান্ড বাসী একবার বিদায় দে মা ঘুরে আসি একবার বিদায় দে মা ঘুরে আসি হাসি হাসি পড়ব ফাঁসি দেখবে ভারতবাসী একবার বিদায় দে মা ঘুরে আসি Thank you so much, Vidoda, for creating such a gem. And I will recommend personally to show it to, I will speak to CBSE so that, we get to see this film. Children who take up, history as a subject in their +2, as a teacher, I feel that this film should be recommended. It's very well made and it is extremely authentic. और बाकी बच्चे जो है वो तो जितना उनको पिकअप करना होगा वो उतने ही कर लेंगे. What do you say, Sangeeta ma'am? See, we have another very extremely erudite teacher. Hi, Sangeeta ma'am, how are you?
Hello, I just shared my same thoughts with Deboda just now. And the children in the syllabus, it should be there, such scenes and about such young people. And like Sweetie ji said just now, na, कि आजकल वो young बच्चे गलत दिशा में जा रहे हैं. It's not that also. Where we are living in a comfort zones, वो बच्चों में वो होना चाहिए patriotism और fervor वो अब कम हो गया है. हमको इतना comfort दे दिए. So such movies will again ignite them. So I think they all should be shown and such chapters should be included in the books. Thank you.
I really like that part, जब उसकी mother आके बोलती है कि she's proud of her son, that's so beautiful, very beautiful. So Deeptendu, quickly you can share your takeaways of the movie. Bedoda, I think Bedoda is slightly preoccupied, so let's have
I got to go very soon. I'm very unfortunate. As I told Anil, I've got some guests in the house, so
I understand.
I have them waiting, so I got to take leave very soon. But Jitendu, go ahead.
No. First of all, namaskar, Bedo sir. It is such an honor to have you. And Bedo sir, won't take much of your time, but we watched the movie yesterday. And we couldn't have watched it at a better time. Just comparing and contrasting a movie like Chittagong with a movie like Pathan. What should we be fighting for? What should we be taking inspiration from? What nationalism is? I mean, for me, the answer was absolutely clear yesterday. So thank you so much for making this masterpiece of a film. I won't comment much on it because I'm no expert. But yes, for me, it was such a layered, such a nuanced movie. There was a story and everyone was serving the story and it reached my heart. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
सर हमें इंतजार रहेगा इस तरह की और सी पिक्चर्स देखने के लिए आपसे.
किंतु आप कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट मिस कर
इस तरह की और पिक्चर आपसे देखने के लिए.
Your appreciation about the actress.
No, all the characters were simply amazing and yes.
If you saw Vega, I mean, she still is. I mean, if you saw her in those days, I mean, she was a hip girl. And when she came for the audition, she was in a skinny jeans and so I was like, okay, she as Prithilatha, I can't imagine. And then she changed her dress, and I mean, like the first take, I like, that's it. I found my Prithilatha. She's absolutely brilliant actress. It's just so turned out that she hasn't quite made it, but she is, I think, an absolute brilliant actress.
Yes.
Quickly, can you share a little about your upcoming project, if that's convenient? And if
yes. There's a bunch of things that's happening. I just finished a documentary on farmers. It's in India, there are market reforms in agriculture they're bringing up, which the farmers were protesting. I took a trip in America because in America, the same thing has been happening for the last 40 years. So what is the impact of those market reforms on small farmers? That's what the documentary is about. It's just finished. I'm showing it to a few people, and I'm sure it would come up very soon. I'm making a short film on weavers, on Banarasi handloom weavers. There's a movie that's in Amazon's hands. We'll see what happens. It's a medical thriller. There is a web series on who was India's first or world's first serial killer, and that was a woman. So then there is a story about in Hollywood about a farmer's lawyer. That's the name of the story. It's kind of like if you have seen Erin Brockovich, but it's an Erin Brockovich story for farmers. So those are all the movies I'm kind of involved in right now. Hopefully many of them will come here. And as they come on, Anila would be the first person to know, since she is in charge of Music Veranda.
Oh, thank you so much. We all are. Vedoda, एक गाना आपसे सुनना चाहेंगे from the
bandwidth is very, very, very poor. So I don't think you can. I mean, one will do justice, but I mean, of course, you have to sing. I'll just sing a couple of lines of Bolona, but the Bolona Bhageshri, the great song in Bhageshri that everybody knows, that Salil Chaudhary song, which I have sung many times here. मैं तो कब से खड़ी इस पार ये अखियां सत गई पंथ निहार आजा रे बोलो ना बोलो ना बोलो ना बोलो ना सेम राग रुतबों को घर से निकलने तो दो बोए थे मौसम खिलने तो दो होठों के मुंडेर पे रुकी मोतियों सी बात बोल दो फीकी फीकी सी है जिंदगी चीनी चीनी ख्वाब घोल दो देखो ना बीत जाए ये लम्हे ये घड़ियां बोलो ना बोलो ना बोलो ना बोलो ना धड़कन रुम झुम सांसें रुन झुन मन घुंघरू सा बाजे अखियां पायल सपने कंगना तन में थिरकन साजे कोहनियों से ठेल के कहती हवा इतर की शीशी खोल तो जरा राग महकाओ गीत छलकाओ मिसरी सी होलो ना होलो ना बोलो ना बोलो ना बोलो ना बोलो ना
Lovely. That was beautiful.
So amazing.
Thank you.
अनिला, मैं इजाजत चाहता हूँ.
Sure. Thank you.
I'm so sorry, Devidar ji. It's so great meeting you again in Music Veranda. Hopefully, I see you in person in Bombay.
Definitely, sir. Definitely.
Yes, I'm going to be in Bombay from February 3rd. So I hope to see you.
Yeah, definitely.
And everybody,
Send you
I'm always such a pleasure coming to Music Veranda. And
Thank
I'm
you so much.
Dada, I'll send you the details through Anila. You
Sure,
can call me up.
Perfect. That would be fantastic.
More power to you, Vedoda. More inspiration to you.
Thank you.
Because the more power, more inspiration, the more we will get from you.
And I must thank all of you for watching the movie on Republic Day. I think that's a great honor for me. That's a real great honor for me.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes.
It's our pleasure, Dada. It's our pleasure. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
And all the very
being there.
best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Love you, Dridha. Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
See you.
Wow, that was great.
Anything, Deependu, you would like to add before we?
Yes, Anila ma'am, I think what we did yesterday, watching a movie like Chittagong, was important, was symbolic, and it's good that we are having a live session today, because the message has to be spread in the community that there are so many short stories, or there are so many important stories from India's freedom struggle which have not been shared, or which the people at large do not know about still. So how many people actually have seen Chittagong? I'm sure many, but many more should have seen. So I hope through Music Veranda's platform, the name of the movie Chittagong reaches far and wide, and many new people who haven't watched the movie up till now, watch this beautiful piece of art. Well, it is art, and it has instilled in me some degree of patriotism and a respect for the people who fought for their own local kasbah, for their village, for their city, and in turn for the entire country, for the freedom of the entire country. So thank you, Anila ma'am, for connecting us with the great Bedobrata Pain, and it was wonderful watching Chittagong yesterday on Republic Day of India with all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, Bati. Very nice.
Thank you. I would just like to add on one thing. Where, when we were watching the movie yesterday, though Vidya is not here, but still I don't resist, So when we were watching the movie, we were talking about this thing as well, that right leadership and right mentorship is very important. मतलब जब वो मास्टर दा ने उस झुंकू को और भी सारे लोगों को सारा ट्रेन किया, और जब झुंकू 6-7 साल के बाद आया अंडमान से, right? So he has a choice whether to, carry on in his normal life, the comfortable life, but he was a bit confused that whether to start again or just finish the pending thing. And but he did the right thing. तो वो right mentorship सही time पे जो उनको दी थी, और उस टाइम उसके बाद ही वो सुरंग खोद वगैरह उन्होंने खुद ही ideas आया कि हाँ we can do it, and everyone was ready and waiting for him. When he will come, the leader will emerge. So this thing was very important. That I was so happy to see कि यार जो छोटी-छोटी चीजें जो सारी बताई basic level पे, और वो 6-7 साल के बाद में भी जब वो आया, तो and rest is history. So
बहुत अच्छा बोला.
Great leadership and mentorship.
And what I was thinking कि जो leadership forums होते हैं, इतने talk shows होते हैं, और इतने वर्कशॉप्स हो रही है, उसमें ये मूवी दिखा देनी चाहिए लीडरशिप के ऊपर, instead of talking so much.
It is so authentic it is. So
Yes.
hats off.
How one leader, he can transform the ordinary people,
And even when he's not there,
Yes.
even when he's not there, his teachings are, it
Yes.
is
और सबसे अच्छी बात अनिला उसपे ये थी कि जब वो 7 साल बाद हीरो आता है वापस, तो उसको एक लड़ाई लड़ने का जो मिला उसको मुद्दा, उस समय का विषय, वो अनाज, जो
Yes.
उसको पता था कि इस तरह से, हाँ, उसने उस चीज को, बंदूकें थी पहले उनके पास, फिर उसने अनाज जब पद देखा, तो यहाँ से हटाने का उनको एक जरिया ये भी मिला कि हम इससे अटैक कर सकते हैं. तो ये बहुत ही अच्छा विषय उन्होंने लिया, बहुत सुंदर.
I would just add one thing. Thank you, Anila, because this forum actually already what Devada said and what you have done, it is already gone down the line. Children also have seen and they are being inspired, and this has been shared with so many people through us. So it is a very, like you talk about mentorship, so you are also one of the examples. ऐसी movies को लाना और दिखाना, and I feel very happy because you know why, I have always tried, और मेरी मन में इच्छा रही थी, शायद I don't know, इसलिए शायद आर्मी ऑफिसर से शादी भी हो गई, पर मेरे मन में ये रहता है कि लोग फ्रीडम फाइटर, नाउ लाइक दीपेंदु सेड ना, वी वांट टू सी मोर एंड मोर मूवीज. इन लोगों को भी नहीं पता होगा इसके बारे में, या जो हिस्ट्री में छुप गए हैं लोग. So we'll come to know, and you've got this inspired, and you will now find out उसके थ्रू आपको कितना पता चलेगा. So that is one big clap for Veranda and Devoda also.
Very nice. Thank you. Before we wrap up, I would request Gigi and Deependu to say a few words about Music Veranda, क्योंकि ये show बहुत सारे लोग देख रहे होंगे, and so Gigi and Deependu just.
Sure. So what should I say? It's always a pleasure. We started this Music Veranda. It's an initiative in quarantine times. हमने बस just like that शुरू किया कि music heals. अभी बेदुदा ने भी बोला कि म्यूजिक एक्चुअली अपलिफ्ट यू, राइट? तो एंड वी हैव डॉक्टर अनुराधा एज वेल विद अस, जो कि लोगों का जो उपचार कर रही है वो म्यूजिक से कर रही है। एंड तो म्यूजिक वरांडा इज समथिंग जहां पर हम लोग की एक कोशिश है कि लोग यहाँ पर आए, हम लोग डेली जैमिंग करते हैं, हम लोग बहुत सारे टॉक शोज कर चुके हैं। आवर ओनली मिशन इज कि म्यूजिक के थ्रू लोग और ज्यादा से ज्यादा हील हुए, एंड पीपल वांट टू गेट एक्नॉलेज्ड, दे वांट टू लव्ड, एंड दे वांट दिस एक व्हाट डू वी कॉल माहौल एक होता है जो, so we just tried to do our bit, wherein people from all over the corners of the world they are joining us, whether it is Delhi, Bombay, Indore, Panipat, Sonipat, Germany, US, from Soviet paper. And so we daily get together here, and we are getting so much love from everyone. Even there are people, there was a difficult time in COVID times, but people come here, share their experiences, and they're getting addicted. And the best part is all are getting healed at various level, which just can't be expressed in words. And the rest of the things I would, request Dipendu to add on here.
My pleasure, my honor, GJ and Anila ma'am. So yes, Music Veranda. Recently जो एक पर्व गया है रिपब्लिक डे, तो हमने चिटागोंग मूवी देखी हम सब ने साथ में, विच हैज़ इंस्टिल्ड सो मच ऑफ पेट्रियाटिक एनर्जी इन ऑल ऑफ अस। सिर्फ इतना ही नहीं, इंदौर में, अनिला मैम प्लीज़ करेक्ट मी, उज्जैन या इंदौर, जहाँ पे प्लीज़ मेंशन कर दीजिए शहर का नाम आप।
इंदौर में, हाँ,
ऑलराइट, इंदौर में म्यूजिक वरांडा का एक और हेड, एक और ब्रांच जिसका नाम है चौपाल, विच इज़ अ फोरम फॉर सीनियर सिटीजन्स टू कनेक्ट, एंड अ कम्युनिटी फॉर सीनियर सिटीजन्स ऑल्सो गॉट टुगेदर एंड सेलिब्रेटेड रिपब्लिक डे। एंड जस्ट अ कपल ऑफ डेज बैक देयर वाज अनदर लाइव शो जहाँ पे कुछ एनवायरमेंटलिस्ट्स हमारे इस प्लेटफॉर्म पर आए थे और उन्होंने पर्यावरण संरक्षण के बारे में बात करी। सो येस, दीज आर द थ्री मेन पिलर्स, द थ्री ideas of Music Veranda, which is an ecosystem. We talk about sustainable development, environment, about senior living, and of course about music, films and art. और अगर आप लोग भी आप देख रहे हैं, चिटागोंग को मैं शायद अगर कहूँ तो एक ऑफ बीट मूवी है। ऑफ कोर्स इट इज़ अ कमर्शियल सक्सेस, बट कुछ हद तक ये ऑफ बीट है। तो अगर जितने भी लोग देख रहे हैं, अगर उनके पास ऐसे ऑफ बीट सब्जेक्ट्स, ऑफ बीट मूवीज हैं जो वो शोकेस करवाना चाहते हैं या डिस्कस करना चाहते हैं, चर्चा हो केवल ऐसी मूवीज के बारे में, तो इट वुड बी वंडरफुल if people connect with us, and because we love art, in all its forms, music,
authenticity,
we love authenticity, of course. तो वो म्यूजिकली रिच हो सकता है, एक्टिंग वाइज रिच हो सकता है, स्टोरी वाइज रिच हो सकता है। सो वी वांट टू हियर many more stories out there. So yeah, Anila ma'am, thank you so much.
Thank you, great show, thank you everyone, and let's hope that we get to watch lovely movies. Bye bye, thank you.
Bye bye. Thank you.